What's up everyone, Jake here, back with another model unboxing video. This time we're only doing one model in this video, as opposed to a couple, as the model in front of you is a very special model. It is the GeminiJets Emirates A380 in the the Dubai Expo 2020 livery. Super excited to have this model. This was a February 2020 release. It was technically one of the ones that they put up like, ooh, future release, but then they made it the official February 2022 releases are all part of it. But as you can see, here's the box that it comes in. You can see the aircraft already. There's no flap or anything. The nice red box. This is what the plane looks like. So it kind of gives some specs and whatnot on the aircraft and kind of like the paint and everything behind it. I looked up a little bit more. Basically, this is the first A380 to have a full, complete paint, like special livery done on it, with all these like colors and everything. Took 16 days to do. It's to showcase the Expo, kind of what it represents, the coming together of many cultures and countries and everything in Dubai for this huge event that lasts for months. Basically, it was supposed to happen in between 2020 and 2021, but due to the pandemic, it was delayed between 2021 and I believe this year. Yeah, so this model is pretty cool. It was painted to, again, showcase it. And there's the ad with it flying by the Burj Khalifa. And this lady right here was on top of it. So I think it's pretty cool. So yeah, anyway, we'll get into it. That's the box. Let's take a look at the model. I don't know how I'm gonna be able to like sit it on top of this. So I think we'll see. Might be able to. Might be hard, just given how heavy the model is and how flimsy the box is. Let's take a look. So as you can see, the packaging is a little bit different on the 380 model. I'm super excited. I'm not actually like taking a look at this, like outside of just looking through the box. Wow. It's I think my second Emirates A380. I've never really gotten many of their specials. I just have one of their plain livery ones. But this one flew into LA, I think like right after it got painted. Oh, there's more plastic. Oops. Wow. Oh, it does sag in on the thing a little bit. That's okay though. That's fine. Plastic away. Hold on. All right. So here we have it. Wow. Just absolutely heavy, but spectacular looking. Very well done. Just taking a quick look here. Everything looks intact, put together and everything. So let's adjust the camera a little bit here and we'll get into the details. So beautiful aircraft, looks fantastic. This mold is also, it's pretty good. It is pretty good for GeminiJets. They have a partnership with Emirates. They release so many of their A380s. Any little special livery or added, even Emirates adds a decal model released. So this one, they did this one on another one. But I chose to get this one as it's not something you see every day in terms of an A380 in full like paint in a full special livery like this. So here we have the front, the nose. I think it looks a little weird, that sort of mold here, this area here. I could use some improvement, but you have some detail around there, and then you have one of their like flight attendants, but showing off Dubai Expo. The date's October 2021 to March 2022. So here you go. Those are the dates, of course. My bad. I could have said that earlier. So then this side says be a part of the magic. It's kind of like the theme of things. And then you can see, like, so you got the red, the orange, green, you got the blues, more red, orange, yellow. But we're just moving along. You have the engines, Dubai Expo. Looking pretty good. That engine looks a little slanted up, but that's okay. Still overall really nice. Got the antennas and everything, so not bad. Not bad, just moving along, all looks good. Got the registration back there, Alpha 6 Echo Echo uniform. You have this like really nice tail, looks like bubbles. But it's a really cool, really unique, very, very nice looking. And then this side, it has Dubai Expo, and it says, see you there. So I'm sure many of you have seen the commercial, the ad they did with the stunt woman on top of the Burj Khalifa in the Emirates flight attendant uniform, holding up the sign. So with the A380 flying with this A380 flying in the background. This is cool. This engine has October 21 to March 2022. So very, very nice. And obviously you have the cargo doors here on this side and whatnot. Take a look at the underside. You have, let's get hold of it better. You have Dubai Expo, got the registration there, everything. So really, really nice model. I highly recommend it. I'm pretty sure it's gone from most places by now, as it's popular model. But if you could find it, get it. It's really, really nice. Mold, yeah, give or take, could be a little bit better. But for what it is, they were first ones to make it. It looks good. I'm glad I did get it. Second A380 for Emirates in my collection. As I say, I don't really have any intentions of collecting all the ones that they have, but I figured I'd get this one as well. So yeah, there you have it, guys. That's gonna do it for this model review. There will be more coming, so stay tuned. Drop a like, subscribe, and yeah, y'all have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye bye.